Okay, so today we're going to begin working with a website called Doodle, which will enable us to schedule in advance and give everyone advance notice of any upcoming events. So I'll just give you a little brief tutorial of how to use the website and some of the things that we will be able to use it for moving forward. So let's start with creating a meeting. So take, for example, if you wanted to create a meeting, you would just have to click up here and select Group Meeting. So as you can see, I've entered an example, which would be if we were to hold a budget meeting, and you can go from there to choose the location. And let's say that this one will be conducted on Zoom. And of course you can edit the title to whatever you want it to be and add a note. Then you just click continue. And there is an option both whenever you first join the website and later on whenever you're creating any events to connect your existing calendar, but I won't do that for now as we're creating this example. And then as you can see, there is a calendar which includes all of the times of day, so you can add a time suggestion, which will be 9 a.m. And then moving forward, you can choose the poll settings. So if you wanted to create a poll, you could go ahead and do that here. And finally, you just click finish. And after doing that, you would be able to share the meeting by using this link right here or by entering emails in this line right here. And as you can see, it has the meeting down here and all of the information. And then some other options that you can do using this website is, let's go back to the main screen. You can create a new calendar, you can create one-on-one meetings, and you can even create surveys. And as you saw with the polling option earlier, there's a lot of interactive things that you can use to get the opinions of the group that you're working with. So the survey is one example, and the one-on-one meeting, those are basically set up the exact same way that you would create the group meeting. You just click on them. So I've selected survey, create a title, choose a location. Let's say the survey will be online, and we can say budget survey, continue, and here you create options. So I'll just say option 1 and option 2, and then selecting continue. You can choose your settings with the same options as before. So there's yes, no if need be, limit the number of votes per option, limit participants to a single vote, or hidden poll. So for example, this would be appropriate for a poll with only 2 choices. And then select finish. Okay, and that is all of the functions on Doodle that we will be using. The one thing that I didn't go over was the bookable calendar, and those are created by linking your pre-existing calendars so that you can include all of the relevant information. I will do this later for now. And hopefully Doodle will create a much easier time for all of us with setting appointments and meeting times.